Hello guys, welcome back. So user schema is just a blueprint and it will have a set of attributes and you can add more attributes as many as you like. For example, if you want to add girlfriend, and then you can type, the data type will be type boolean. But of course we won't do this, so we will actually remove this. The first function that we did is pre-save. Mongoose schema has this functionality as part of the object. Technically, before we want to save the password attribute to the database, you want to encrypt the password attribute. So whenever a user password is abc123, it will get encrypted to this kind of hash value. So remove this again. The second function that we created is a custom function. So technically we give it a name compare password. What it does is it compare password between the password that the user types in and the password in the database. Simple as that. The final custom function that we learn is Gravatar. The function will technically generate an image for us every time a user signs up. It all thanks to Gravatar. Final thing that we need to do is we want to export this entire schema. To do so, model.export equals to mongoose model, and then the name of the model, which will be user, and then the schema that you want to pass in. Now, in other files, you can simply do cons user or let user equals to new user. That's it. In the next video, we will learn how to create a sign up API. I'll see you guys in the next video.